27,000 euros. That's all it takes to get into a brand new Audi with S-Line styling, 18-inch wheels, and that unmistakable 4-ring badge. The 2026 A3 Sportback starts lower than both the BMW 1 Series and Mercedes A-Class. Let that sink in. Walking up to this, a 3 in a scary blue metallic, the first thing that hits you is how aggressive Audi has made this facelift look. The frameless single-frame grille sits lower and wider than before, flanked by LED headlights with configurable daytime running light signatures. You can actually choose from different light patterns through the infotainment system, which is a feature usually reserved for cars costing twice as much. The S-Line exterior package comes standard on this Sport Edition, adding sportier bumpers and side skirts that give the whole car a planted, purposeful stance. Climb inside and you're greeted by Audi's latest interior design philosophy, the 10.1-inch touchscreen angles toward the driver, running the latest MMI software with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Above the steering wheel sits the 12.3-inch Virtual Cockpit Plus, now standard for 2026, displaying navigation, media, and driving data in crisp high resolution. The seats on this Sport Edition are trimmed in a combination of leather and artificial leather in black with rock gray accents. 3-zone climate control is standard, which is something you rarely see at this price point. Ambient lighting wraps around the cabin, and the build quality is exactly what you expect from Ingolstadt. The dashboard materials feel premium, the switchgear clicks with satisfying precision, and everything sits exactly where your hands expect it to be. Boot space measures 380 liters with the rear seats in place, expanding to over 1,200 liters when you fold them flat. The load lip is reasonably low, and the opening is wide enough to swallow larger items without a struggle. Under the boot floor, you'll find a space-saver spare wheel on most configurations, and there are tie-down hooks in the corners for securing cargo. The rear seats split 40-60 and fold with one hand using the release levers in the boot. Throughout the cabin there's thoughtful storage, including a wireless charging pad, deep door pockets, and a usefully sized center console bin. Under the bonnet sits Audi's TFSI engine producing 116 horsepower and 220 Nm of torque, paired with a 7-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic. 0 to 100 takes just under 10 seconds. And combined fuel consumption sits at 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers. It's not about outright speed here, it's about everyday refinement. At 27,115 euros to start, the A3 Sportback Sport Edition makes premium German motoring genuinely accessible. If you're cross-shopping the 1 Series or A-Class, this deserves a serious look. Coming up next, I'm walking you through the new Audi Q3. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.